Hi everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. Give you an update on more of the paint work that was done. I ended up painting all the major panels as well as the main body, the blue. And the blue is electron blue is the name of it. And it's an old GM color, and I don't even know what kind of car it came on or anything like that. I found it in a paint chip catalog. Basically it was just cards with the color I wanted and the code on the back. So found a blue that I liked, went from there, and it matches up real well as a two-tone with the silver that I have. So painted the blue, painted the inside of the trunk, the door jambs, painted the outside of the doors as well, the hood, the trunk lid, fenders, and the main body, and also painted the firewall silver and masked it off, the silver off, and then painted the blue, and then put a little pinstripe around the silver as well, where it separates, a little gray, tiny gray pinstripe to basically cover up that edge, and then clear coated everything else that I painted. So check it out. I think it's looking good. Still a ton of wet sanding and buffing to come later, but it sprayed out real well, good coverage, and I'm looking forward to the next step. So check it out, and I'll talk to you soon.